Hi Saket, welcome to this interview feedback session. How are you doing today?
Yeah, hi sir. I'm doing good. How about you? Thanks for having me on the call.
Great. Nice to see you here. So for the
Same here.
viewers who are going to watch this video, Saket, he has more than 10 plus years of experience into networking industry. He's working as a network engineer with HCL. So today in this
Yeah.
session, we are going to discuss about his experience, about his training feedback, how he has done some of the courses and how those courses has helped him gain some kind of knowledge. Hi Saket, welcome again. Let's
Yeah, hi
get
sir.
started.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Thanks for having me. Yeah.
So Saket, can you please tell us a little bit about yourself and your background into the IT industry?
Basically, I am from Patna. I have done BTech. After that, I have joined network industry in the way back in 2014. Since then, I've been working in network industry, worked for different firms like HCL, uh, Nokia, after that Ericsson, British Telecom, and again working in HCL Technologies right now. So having almost a decade experience in networking has helped me immensely itself. I have worked with different companies like as I told earlier also. So it's a mixed reaction which I have got for this experience so far. Yes, sir.
So what all courses you have done with I-MEDITA?
I have done CCI. Basically, was enrolled for CCI infrastructure, and the faculty and the training was immensely good. I mean, it helped me in the longer run very well. It helped me in a very immensely itself. I can say over here. Yes, sir.
So what made you enroll for this CCIE Enterprise Infrastructure
Uh,
training?
as I told you, networking is in my blood. Is in my DNA. So I was starting the things from very scratch. I have done from, you can say, like CCNA. I have done from earlier with different institutes, but CCI I was involved here itself. I have done CCI infrastructure, like basically various type of things, like basically protocols like OSPF, BGP, EIGRP, and eventually after that we have was gone through for SSD WAN, SDXS, and these kind of things. Yes, sir.
So during your CCIE classes, you took classes from multiple instructors, right?
Right itself. Yes.
So which
Yes.
all instructor you took classes?
Instructor were first of all Himanshu sir was there. After that, Saurav Yadav sir was there, and most of the faculty was. Most of the batches which I covered was from Surendra sir itself, and it was a very remarkable journey so far in the I-MEDITA itself, sir.
Okay. So how did you first hear about our courses? Like what was the reason to select I-MEDITA and how you got to know about
Well,
I-MEDITA?
I would like to go for the same. Since I was a student of net way back in 16 when I enrolled. After that, I have done CCNP from over there. In 2020, when the COVID started, the pandemic hit the country and worldwide. First of all, then I was searching for, you can say itself, some CCI courses. Then I go for the I heard a lot of things about I-MEDITA itself from various persons. Then I thought of opting for I-MEDITA from CCI from I-MEDITA itself. So yeah, it was the journey then started in way back in 2020 and 21. Yeah, since then I have been working. Working with I-MEDITA, sir. Yes.
How did you manage to balance your training and your work life?
It's. Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
Because when you did these courses, you were working somewhere, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Since the journey has already been a decade, which I can say, sir, like it's almost like in Nokia, Ericsson, and British Telecom, and eventually you have to keep safe something like that. You have to go cover all those things apart from your working experience with also. So I have to get it. The study has to be covered in the sense of apart from my working experience. So it has been a good journey so far from my Medita itself.
Can you share any tips and strategies that helped you keep focused and motivated during your CCI training?
Most faculties were very good. All the credit goes to all the faculties over here. But Surendra sir has immensely helped me a lot in the longer run. His training videos which I covered, and the classes which I covered while I was going through the classes. He cleared all the doubts from very scratch, and he covered each and every student in longer run itself. Yes, sir.
Okay. During your training, did you got all the required study material, lab access, guides, practical books, and support from our side?
Yes, I did. I did. Eventually, I did. I did all the supports from the staff members and all the support from placement team as well for the sake of the things.
Okay. And what advice would you give to somebody who's planning to start their CCI certification training or
Well,
training?
yes, sir. Well, on that note, I would like to tell I-MEDITA is one of the best institute you can go opt for networking industry. I haven't seen that I mean different institute which I have preferred, but I-MEDITA is the lot far way better than any institute which I covered so far.
So how would you rate the training services and all other services which we are offering on a scale of 10?
On out of 10, I can cover almost 7.5 to 8 minimum. I can opt for the same, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
And can you provide any suggestion or feedback in regards to how we can improve our services in future?
Well, I don't find any reason for any, I mean, upliftment, but I think the way they are providing institute, I mean, the study materials and all those things like the things, it is immensely good, sir, and it will go in longer run itself.
Okay. And would you recommend our courses to your friends and
Everyone, I will highly recommend for everyone to go this. Or if you are opting for networking, is the best mark to get for.
okay. Thank you, Saket. Thank you for giving us your valuable time. And we wish you all the very best for your upcoming learning, upcoming journey. Thank you for giving us your time again.
Thanks for having me, sir. Thanks for having me.